Hi parents, I'm going to record this Pearson Realized Decodable Practice Passage. It is titled Sally's New Puppy. Vowel digraphs O-O, U-E, E-W, and U-I. New, two, shoed, shoes, true, cool, soon, juice, drew, stoop, scoots, chewing, fruit, droopy, scoops, noon, blue, school, smooth, food, moon, boot, woo, grooming, and mood. High frequency words. New, thought, picture, moon, single, gave, blue, and eyes. On Sunday, Sally got a new puppy. Cool. Sally named her puppy Scoots. Sally played with Scoots from noon until the moon shone in the sky. Bedtime came too soon. When Sally woke the next day, Scoots was chewing her blue boot. "No, Scoots!" Sally yelled as she shooed him away. Sally had juice and fruit in class. Miss Wu asked kids to draw. Sally thought for a single instant. That's all the time she needed to choose what to draw. Scoots. Sally drew droopy eyes and a smooth nose. She drew fur that needed grooming. Her picture was true to life, too. After school, Sally ran home. On her stoop, she heard Scoots barking in the house. Was he waiting for her? Inside, Sally gave Scoots hugs and 3 scoops of food. Thanks to Scoots, Sally was in the best mood. And that, parents, concludes our Pearson Realized Decodable Practice Passage titled Sally's New Puppy. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.